Hello everyone. Welcome to another class. So we are discussing this chapter linear inequalities. So in the previous class we talked about one dimensional, that is the linear inequality of one variable. We already discussed this and problems from it, that is the exercise 6.1. So today we will talk about the graphical solution of linear inequalities of two variables. Okay, so in previous class we have solved for one variable. So today we are going to solve for two variables. First of all, we will solve it graphically, and and then we will solve this exercise 6.2, and then we will talk about the solution of the system of linear equation. Okay, two equations are there, or more than two equations are there, then their solutions, and this exercise and then miscellaneous. Okay, so graphically how to solve this inequality of two variable. Now one thing, that if we are talking about two variable problems, that means x and y. So generally if we want to write the linear equation of two variables, so it will be ax plus by equals to c, or ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Anything you can write. And suppose this, if we draw the line, so it will look like that. Suppose this is the line for ax equals to by. This is the line. Now, if we are using the linear inequalities, so maybe ax plus by is greater than c, or ax plus by is less than c, or ax plus by is greater than equal to c, or ax plus by is less than equal to c. Now, when we are solving this inequalities, that time we will get a particular region. Okay, the solution region. This region is called the solution region for the inequality. Okay, when we will solve some examples, that time the solutions will be more clear. Okay, so this is exercise 6.2. You need to solve the inequalities of two-dimensional plane, or you can say linear inequalities of two variable in graphically. So here is the first equation, that is inequality, that is x plus y less than 5. Now how to draw this inequality into the two-dimensional plane? First of all, consider the equation. Whatever the inequality is given, consider its equation, that is x plus y equals to 5. Now if we want to draw the x plus y equals to 5, so it will be look like that. Now I think you all remember how to draw a straight line, right? Since x plus y is equals to 5, that means we can write this thing as x by 5 plus y by 5 equals to 1. That is the intercept form of straight line. That is, it will cut the x-axis at a point, that is 5, 0, and it will cut the y-axis at a point 0, 5. Okay, so this is the straight line. Now x plus y less than 5. Okay, now if we choose a point 0, 0, that is the origin, and if we substitute this point in this given inequality, that is x plus y less than 5, so what you will find? You will find putting x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So 0 is less than 5. Now is it true or false? Definitely 0 is less than 5. Okay, so that time the region covered by this inequality, the solution region for this inequality x plus y less than 5, it means it will consider, we will consider all the points, all the pair of points, or all the ordered pair in the form of x comma y, such a way x plus y is less than 5. Its value should be less than 5. So whenever we will substitute this value 0, 0, that is the origin, and if it is satisfy the equation, that means the region, that the solution region is always towards the origin. Okay, so all the points present in this area, the shaded portion, is the solution for this inequality x plus y less than 5. Clear? So how to find the region? Just put 0, 0, that is the origin, 0, 0 in the place of x and y, that is x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Now if it is satisfying the inequality, then the region should be towards the origin, or if it is not satisfying the origin, that is not satisfying the inequality, then it will be opposite of this origin. Okay, so the shaded portion is the solution region for this inequality x plus y less than 5. That means we will consider all the points present in that portion, that is left hand side of this line x plus y equals to 5. Now look at here, less than sign is there. That means we will not consider this line. Okay, except that line, just after this line, we will consider all the points except that line. If it is less than equal to, that time we will consider this line also. Okay, clear? So moving to the next problem. So next is this number 2, 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. So same as before, just consider the equation 2x plus y equals to 6. Now if 2x plus y equals to 6, then tell me this intercept form of this line, that is 2x plus y is equals to 6. That means 2x by 6, that is x by 3 plus y by 6 is equals to 1. Okay, now if we draw this line into this two-dimensional plane, it will look like that. That means it will cut the y-axis at 0, 6 and cut the x-axis at 3, 0. Clear? Now again same thing, just put this origin, that is 0, 0 in this inequality, that is 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. So if we put x equals to 0, y equals to 0, we will find 0 is greater than equal to 6. Is it possible? No. 6 is bigger than 0, not 0 is bigger than 6. So since it is false, so the region, that is the solution region, also opposite side of the origin, that means this side. Okay, so all the points present on this shaded portion are the solution for this inequality. One thing here you need to notice, that is the inequality is given greater than equal to. That means we will consider the line also, that is 2x plus y equals to 6. If it is greater than only, then we will not consider the line. After the line, we will consider all the points. Okay, since greater than equal sign is here, so we will consider the line also. And this is the shaded portion, that is the solution region. So the solution region for this inequality 2x plus y greater than equal to 6 is the shaded portion. Okay, just here you need to draw the line and check the sign, that is the inequality is greater than equal to or greater than, less than equal to or less than, and substitute 0, 0. I will tell you the shorter method also, you need to substitute 0, 0. But first of all, learn the process actual, then you will move for the shorter process. So put 0, 0, and if it's satisfying the inequality, that means the shaded, the region, that is the solution region towards the origin, and if it is not satisfying the equation, so opposite of this origin. So this is question number 2, and question number 3 is your homework. To solve the question number 3, it's very easy. Now moving to the next one. Question number 5, x minus y less than equal to 2. So first of all, consider the equation, that is x minus y is equals to 2. Now if x minus y is equals to 2, that means x by 2 minus y by 2 is equals to 1, or you can write x by 2 plus y by minus 2 is equals to 1. That means it will cut, this line will cut the x-axis at 2, 0 point and y-axis at 0, minus 2 point. Look at here. It's 0, minus 2 and 2, 0. Okay. Now, same process. Take the point 0, 0 and substitute 0, 0. That is x equals to 0, y equals to 0. And the inequality x minus y less than equals to 2. So you will find 0 is less than equal to 2. It is true. The 0 is always smaller than 2. So that means the origin should, that means the solution region towards the origin. That means the upper portion or the left hand portion of the line is the solution region. Since we are using here less than equal sign, so we will consider the line also. And if in the equation, in the inequality it is less than given, that time we will not consider the line. Okay, so the shaded portion is the solution region. So moving to the next question, question number 6. 2x minus 3y greater than 6. So first of all, take the equation. Consider this equation 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Now look at here. If we convert this equation into the intercept form, so you will find 2x by 6 minus 3y by 6 equals to 1. So x by 3 minus y by 2 is equals to 1, or you can say x by 3 plus y by minus 2 equals to 1. Same thing. So it will cut this line, will cut the x-axis at 3, 0 point and cut the y-axis at 0, minus 2 point. Look at here. It is 0, minus 2 and this is 3, 0. Okay. Now again same thing. Choose the point origin, that is 0, 0 and substitute this value in the inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 6. So you will find that is 0 is greater than 6. Is it true? No. So that means the lower portion, that is the right hand side of the line, is the solution region. Clear? Since it is not given greater than, so we will consider the dotted line here, not this line. Okay, so correct it. We will use the dotted line here. So this shaded portion is the solution region for this inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 6. Moving to the next question. Y less than minus 2. Y is less than minus 2. So in the place of this inequality, if we consider the equation, so you will find the equation is given by y is equals to minus 2. Now if we want to draw the line y equals to minus 2, it will look like that. Now y is less than minus 2. So if we consider the point 0, 0 and substitute the value, so 0 is less than minus 2. So is it true? I don't think it is true. This is false, since 0 is always greater than minus 2. So the region is this region, that is the lower portion of the line, that is the opposite portion of this origin 0, 0. Okay, since less than sign is there, not less than equal to, so we will not consider the line. At that place we will consider the dotted line. Okay, so the solution region is the shaded portion. So write it down. Here you need to consider the equation and then draw the line and then find out the region. Clear? So if the less than sign is there, so the shorter method for finding this, less than sign means lower portion, or less than sign means lower portion. Okay, so if you go on to the previous one, so you will find for this less than sign, So moving to the next question, x greater than -3. Okay, so x, when we will consider the equation, so it will be x equals to -3. So if x equals to -3, consider this one as -3, not 3. So if x equals to -3, so first of all draw the line, x is equals to -3. Now if we put substitute the value x equals to 0, so we will find 0 is greater than -3, which is true. That means the region towards the origin, that means after this line, that is, since less than greater than sign is there, not greater than equal to, so we will consider the dotted line. That means except that line, after the line, all the portion or all the points are inside the solution region. Okay, so the shaded portion is the solution region. Okay, so solve all the question in this 6.2 exercise 6.2. Similar types of questions are there. Solve it and find the region. In today's class, I will not talk about the shorter method. In the next class, when you need to solve a system of linear equation, linear inequalities, that time I will describe the shorter method to find the region. For this chapter only, if you just solve, you need to solve this graphically. Just put 0, 0 and check that the inequality is satisfying this point or origin or not. If it is not satisfying, then opposite side is the solution region, and if it is satisfying, then towards the origin, all the shaded portion should be the solution region. Okay, so try to solve all the problems from 6.2. It is very easy, and just go for the examples also. There are some examples given in a book, so try to solve them also, and then try to solve the exercise problem. If any problem or any queries are there, you're free to ask. Thank you.